How are you children? You all are fine in your home? Yes. So children, everyone take out your English textbook, first class textbook. Yes. So first class textbook children, calling English grammar and composition book number 1. So first class. Okay children? So children, last class already we learned 15th lesson has and have. So it is completed. So children, now 16th lesson was, were, had. Yes children. So 16th lesson was, were, had. Ready children? Let's get started. So complete the sentences. I dashed 5 years old last year. I had long hair then. We dashed in kindergarten then. So see children, here 2 girls are there. I am 6 old now. I was 5 years old last year. I had long hair then. So one more girl, we were in kindergarten last year. So complete the sentences children. So write neatly. So first one, what is it? First one children, complete the sentences. So first one, I was 5 years old. 5 years old last year. Second one, I had long hair then. So third one, we were in kindergarten then. Garden then. So children, I have 5 years old last year. So I have last year how many years children? 5 years. I had long hair then. So I had long hair then. We were in kindergarten then. We were kindergarten then. Write neatly children in your textbook. Finish? Yes. See children, next. We use was, were and had to talk but something that happened earlier. Children, when we use as, were, had, we speak to some earlier children. So faster. When we use was, when we walk about one person or thing. When we use was, when we walk about one person or thing. We also use was with he, she and it. When we also use children. We use in, is, she and it. We use were when we talk about more than one person or thing. We use were one person or more about things. We also use were with we, you and they. We also use were if, use, we or they children. Okay? Look at this table. Now, I am 6 years old. We are 6 years old. You are 6 years old. He, she, it, 6 years old. If you have 2 bats now, he, she, it has 2 bats now. This is now, children. So earlier, I was 5 years old. We were 5 years old. You were 6 years old. He, she, it was 5 years old. If you had 1 bat then, he, she, it bat, 1 bat then. It is now and earlier. Understood, children? So, page number 61. Underline the correct word to complete the sentences. So, children, write neatly in your textbook. Okay, underline, children. A bit. Page number 61. Okay, ready? It was a sunny day. So, answer is was. Underline, children. Second one. They was they unwell. So, answer is they unwell. Third one. The class monitor. I was the class monitor. Fourth one, we were in the football team. So we were in the football team. So fifth one, Rohini was a cricketer. So answer is Rohini was a cricketer. So sixth one, the coat was brown in color. W-A-S was. So seventh one, he was a honest man. W-A-S was. Eighth one, you were angry. W-E-R-E, angry. So write neatly, children. So first one, it was a sunny day. W-A-S was. It was a sunny day. So second one, they were unwell. W-E-R-E. I was the class monitor. W-A-S was. We were in football team. W-E-R-E were. Rohini was a cricketer. W-A-S was. The coat was brown in color. W-A-S was. Seventh one, we was an honest man. W-A-S. Eighth one, you were angry. W-E-R-E, angry. So write neatly, children. Yes, children, write neatly. Was, where, was, where. Finish, children? Yes. So next, be big, children. Fill in the blanks using am, a, is, what or way. So children, here fill in the blanks, children. We use am, a, are, is, was or way. So these words we use fill in the blanks. Okay, children, ready? So, be it. Fill in the blanks using an, are, is, was or will. Okay, children, ready? Yes. So, first one, yesterday dash a warm day. Yesterday dash a warm day. So, what is the answer, children? Yesterday was a warm day. So, second one, we dashed in kindergarten last year. We were in kindergarten last year. So, third one, he dash working all morning. So, he has working all morning. Now, he is tired. Fourth one, you dash the class monitor last month. You were the class monitor last month. I am the monitor now. A-N, and. And. Yes, children. So, you were the class monitor last month. So, I am the monitor now. So, fifth one, it is a good idea. Let us do is. So, answer is. So, write neatly, children. Yesterday was a warm day. W-A-S was. We were in kindergarten last year. W-E-R-E, were. He was, W-A-S was, working all morning. Now he is tired. I is. So, fourth one, you were, W-E-R-E, were, the class monitor. So, last month, I am the monitor now. So, fifth one, it is, is a good idea. Let us do this. Right, neatly, children? Finish, children? Right, neatly? Yes. Finish, children? So, next, children, C bit. Yes. So, what is the sixth bit, children? See, we use have, and had to show things that belong to us. So, children, when we use have, had, show to belongs to us, children. Has and have show present time. So, we use has and how, have show the present time. Had shows an earlier time. So, has also earlier time we use, children. Okay. So, C bit, complete the sentences using have, last year. Yes, children. So first one, I have a toy car now. So I had a toy robot last year. So second one, we have a holiday. We have a holiday today. So we had a holiday last week too. H-A-D, had. So third one, you have long hair. H-A-V-E, long hair. It looks beautiful. So fourth one, my grandmother has grey hair. Now she had black hair when she was young. So fifth one, usually we have dinner at 8 p.m. Yesterday we had dinner at 10 p.m. So children, here have and had. Understood? So write neatly, children, textbook. Write neatly, children, textbook. So finish, children. Yes. Complete the sentences using have as or had. So I have a toy car now. I had a toy robot last year. We have a holiday today. We had holiday last week too. You have a long hair. It looks beautiful. So my grandmother has grey hair now. She had black hair when she was young. Usually we have a dinner at 8 p.m. Yesterday we had dinner at 10 p.m. Understood, children? Finish your writing. So children, this bits all writing in your class workbook compulsory, children. So your notes is compulsory. Understood? Write your notes in your class workbook completed. Okay? So your 15th lesson is done, children. 16th lesson was, they, had is completed. So now write Sakshi, children. Sakshi, classwork notes is compulsory, children. You write in your classwork book all bits. And homework, Sakshi, page number 60. Look at this table. Table, one time homework in your classwork book, children. Homework. What, children? Now and earlier. Look at this table, now and earlier. Now I am 6 years old. We are 6 years old. You are 6 years old. He, she is 6 years old. I, we, you have 2 bags now. He, she, it has 2 bags now. These all are now. So earlier. I was 5 years old. We were 5 years old. You were 6 years old. He, she, it was 5 years old. I, we, you had 1 bag then. He, she, it had 1 bag then. These all are earlier children. So this is your homework. Write neatly in your textbook children and write in your notes. It's compulsory or bits. Okay children. So Sakshi, table write one time in your class workbook children. Your homework is finished. To take the photo and send me school email ID children. Okay children. So bye children. Take care.